solid-state welding is a welding process in which two workpieces are joined under a pressure, providing an intimate contact between them, and at a temperature essentially below the melting point of the parent material. Bonding of the materials is a result of diffusion of their interface atoms. There are many versions of solid-state welding. The most popular ones would be explosive, friction, ultrasonic, diffusion, and forged welding. Let's discuss about explosive welding in this lecture. The explosive welding technique has found major use for cladding low-cost plate, which is usually carbon steel, with more expensive corrosion-resistant materials. This clad plate is typically used in the chemical and petrochemical industries as tube sheet for heat exchangers. Explosive welding differs from other traditional joining processes, as it does not depend on melting of two metals to be joined, or on plastic deformation of the surfaces in contact. In simpler terms, an explosive weld is achieved by impaling the cladding plate against the substrate plate material using the considerable energy from an explosive discharge, resulting in a high energy rate impact. The high interfacial pressure at the point of contact or collision front between the cladding plate and the substrate plate must be greater than the yield strength of both the materials to permit plastic deformation within the surface layer to occur. A jet of highly softened metal is formed at the collision front and is projected in front of it as it progresses rapidly across the weld interface. As the jet progresses, it thoroughly cleans the surface, thus permitting solid phase bonding to occur between the two materials.